I live?
Now you're live.
Okay, yeah. Hey everybody, so excited to be here in Orlando. I had to go live to show you the amazing Stampin' swag that I just got. So first of all, they have this really cool thing where they give you your name badge and then you get all the ribbons for all of your accomplishments throughout the year. So look at what my team and all you amazing customers helped me get all these awesome ribbons. There's so many. And then we got our Disney Fast Pass. What? Because we're going to Epcot. And I got this really cute pin for Greece, earning Greece, the trip to Greece next year. And then for being a top performer, I got this gorgeous bag. And in it were these awesome little, I don't know, what gift boxes that Stampin' Up! Sells, actually. And then there's like little charms inside. Can they see that? Can you see it? Charms inside. And they say, congratulations, Rockstar. This is such a cute stamp set, by the way. I feel like I should use it more.
There's a charm. Yes, that is the cutest. That's in the box, just the box tag, right?
Yes. So my video person here is the beautiful and wonderful Carrie Vermazen-Williams.
Don't worry, I'll turn the camera around so they can see me later.
One of my girls, the awesomest. And then look at this gorgeous wallet that is included. Swoon.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I freaked out, and it's so soft, and it smells lovely. And then inside this bag has this fun, like, Stampin' Up! Logo. I just love this bag. And they always do up the bags and stuff right with a gorgeous little tag. And then I haven't even opened this box yet, so I thought I would open it live with you. This is Stampin' Up's 30th wedding anniversary.
What is the 30th anniversary?
It's the 30th.
Pearl.
So this is the 30th anniversary for Stampin' Up! Are you live too?
No.
Oh. And so these boxes are gorgeous. So everybody that is attending on stage gets one of these. So we're gonna open it.
Here, I'll come around.
Oh, she's gonna come around. Okay, so the inside says, as we celebrate 30 years, we thank you for loving what you do, living creatively, and sharing what you love. I could cry. Okay, and then look at this gorgeous bag. Woo! So they gave us these beautiful bags. They're a canvas tote. And inside, let's see what's inside. We have, oh, it's a make and take. Gonna have to hang on to that. A new stamp set. Amazing Life. And it's gorgeous. Look at the sentiments, are so cute.
Yeah, it's a really good one.
It is so good. I love this one. So happy to have you in my life. That's so sweet. Okay, and then we got, these are like, I don't know what these are. They're like little journals, I think. Little notepads. Oh, they are, just little notepads. So these are handy. Love it, live it, share it.
I didn't even see that paper.
So those are cute.
And most likely those patterns are a hint at a new paper that will be coming.
I would guess.
Maybe a celebration paper.
And then they gave us this really cute badge holder thingy, which I'm not going to use because it's not my thing, but it's cute. Maybe I'll use it someday. Oh, and look at the pens. Swoon. I love them. They have rose gold on them.
Oh, really? I didn't notice that.
Yeah. Look at them. Oh, I should do a giveaway of one of these.
But they have polka dots on it.
They don't.
That one does.
The
box
the
does.
box has them. Oh my God, I love these. Anything else? Did I miss anything? Yes, I did. My prize patrol button, probably the most important piece ever. So that when they call prize patrols during the event, you get, if they call your number, then you get a prize. So fun. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, they made me this beautiful corsage. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's for the top performers. They gave you a corsage that you can tie on your wrist. I'm not going to wear it today because we're going to Epcot Center, so I don't want it to get all messed up. And it's so humid here. For those of you that live in Florida, wow. Just going to say, you can taste your air. Like, it's thick. Do I have any people joining?
Yeah, you've got about 27 people watching. You're getting a lot of hearts. Cindy Heron says your hair looks awesome.
Aw, thank you, Cindy. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. So I will definitely be joining you live from Epcot, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.